Camp Nou is no longer just under construction. It's writing a new chapter in its history. The transformation that has already taken place here speaks louder on camera than words ever could. From every angle, the progress is clearly visible, and today, you'll see views presented in a way you haven't seen before. One of Europe's most iconic stadiums is rising back to its glory. And today, we're showing you the changes that make this update truly special. Closer to the corner, the orange crane is back in operation after being parked due to Champions League restrictions. Several louvres are staged on the ground, ready to be lifted. Recent rain and match days slowed progress. Once weather improves, installation should continue at a faster pace. We'll watch whether the next louvres are placed here in the corner or move to the right-hand sector, where anchors are already ready. Facing the lateral area, the parking entrance ramp is fully concreted and leveled. The ramp is wider and better shaped than before, improving access. Nearby, many louvres are staged and ready, especially near the Gol Sur corner. Most of the lateral facade is complete, but gaps remain and work around stair fronts is pending. Preparations are visible for lifting the third compression ring pillar, which will support the radial beam. Another pillar on the left is ready but still missing yellow lifting elements. Once installed, the lift could happen today, tomorrow, or possibly on Saturday. This radial beam is impressive. A worker is currently performing tasks on it. We'll have to wait to see when it's lifted, maybe next week or shortly after. This is an important piece for the compression ring progress. Moving through the corner area, the right side shows no active work. Large pieces remain positioned, waiting to be lifted. These massive elements require careful step-by-step installation. The pillar we've been following is still in place. It could be lifted today, tomorrow, or Saturday, as no match is scheduled. Several boxes are stored in the upper area, and many glass panels are already installed nearby. Work is clearly active in Gol Sur with several boom lifts operating. On the left, workers focus on a black beam. They're applying antioxidant paint to the bolts as protective coating, not preparing louvre supports. Some sections still need painting. To the right, another boom lift is near the stair structure. Activity slows at moments, likely due to rain. No anchors are installed yet, though supports were placed earlier. Recently painted white beams are visible in the background. Overall, there's steady movement in Gol Sur, especially for a Thursday. Inside, some elements are being prepared for installation. Upper-level work isn't fully visible from this angle. Around the corner, activity continues near future elevator structures. Steel panels are installed in most sections. Some areas are nearly closed, while others still show the stair structure behind them. Next, we'll move toward Gol Norte to check the latest activity. From this viewpoint, the view is excellent, with no fences obstructing it. Movement is noticeable on the upper walkways, especially around the first and second overhangs. Several pallets, a lifting platform, and a crane suggest a new piece may be lifted soon. Pallets in front have no visible markings. The structural inclination in this corner is clear, gradually rising toward the center of Gol Norte. Supports in the central part are close to the alveolar slabs, creating an impressive visual transition. We move closer to the corner next to Tribuna. Large chrome-finished pipes are being installed, with more sections stacked below. One side is open, the other is closed for material storage. Many glass panels are still waiting to be installed. Some were lifted recently, but plenty remain on the ground. Several prefabricated seating sections are also staged, and staircases might already be fully installed. The Tribuna shop area is relatively quiet today. A trailer with counterweights and a partially painted wall are visible. Escalators and stair structures still require significant work. The diamond area has a large amount of stored material, including ventilation components. Glass installation has paused, though many panels are stacked and ready. 2 green structural pieces remain, also seen in Gol Norte. That's all for today's Camp Nou update. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like, subscribe to Megabuilds Pro, and turn on notifications and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Megabuilds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with more fresh updates only here on Megabuilds Pro.